Hey there, Jacqui Pepper with you today. I'm talking about perfectionism disguised as self-doubt. Let's discuss. So I realized, why was I held back for so long from doing these videos, from speaking in front of people, from getting myself out there on social media, spreading the message? Yes, some of it comes with women not really feeling comfortable telling their truths. We've had decades, thousands of years of persecution, of not being able to tell our truth in whole. A lot of fear based on that. I get that. That's for another day. However, today I am discussing how my perfectionism stopped me from being with you. So what do I mean by that? What I mean is, when I've got a little bit of gray coming through here, when I didn't quite have the right makeup on, the right shirt, the right, go ahead, fill in the blank, it stopped me. And I realized it was perfectionism. I had to have it perfect, the perfect video, the perfect message, the perfect makeup. I didn't really like this wrinkle. What about this brown spot here? Now I'm wearing it like a warrior champion. Yes, I am. This brown spot is from when I had the twins. This little dry patch is the grief that I have from when my son got diagnosed a year and a half ago. Now I wear them as battle scars. I'm proud of them. Who says so? Who gives a crap? You could fill in the blank. I would have used a harsher word if I didn't know children might stumble on this. But in all seriousness, perfectionism stopped me for a long time. I discovered I have ADHD, severe ADHD, according to the therapist from 6 years ago, who I actually brought my children when my son was having the diabetes anger. It was more for the kids. And she was like, well, so you have severe ADHD. And I kind of knew that I had that, but one of the components of that is this perfectionist way. And when I'm in touch with it and I look back at all my years, yes, this has stopped me. However, it was disguised, it's self-doubt disguised as perfectionism. So the self-doubt is really this underlying current in some of the things that stop me. Now, I've discussed here before that fear stops a lot of us. Well, this is another form of that type of fear, if you think about it. But it's perfectionism disguised as self-doubt, and it stopped me in my tracks. I was never good enough. It wasn't going to be good enough. The video filming, the makeup, even what I was wearing, it stopped me. Don't let self-doubt, otherwise disguised as perfectionism, stop you from doing anything. Who says so? And by the way, nobody really cares that I have a little gray here, that I have a brown spot here. The message is still the same for all of you listening out there. Don't let perfectionism and your self-doubting ways stop you from doing anything you say you want in life. If you want to manifest it, go ahead and manifest it. Don't worry about what it looks like. Don't worry about what other people think. Don't let things stop you from being what you say you want, doing what you say you want to do. I was 46 by the time I had my twins. Who says so? Don't let these societal limits that we've all grown up with let you weasel in your perfectionistic self-doubting ways. Don't let it stop you. Thanks for being with me. I hope this helped. And if you want some mentoring about how to change your mind frame on self-doubt, reach out. Comment here. I would love to hear how self-doubt is stopping you today. Cheers.